All right, watching straight pipe Lamborghini Revuelto. Let's do it. Peak V12. Straight pipe though. How much RPM the Revuelto stock? Yeah. This is very beautiful. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful. My fault. Yeah, let me stop. Now, Revuelto looks good. Y'all know the Revuelto look good, yeah? No? Heck yeah. That camera right there, yeah? Beautiful vehicle. Jeez Louise. Very beautiful. Screaming like that, yeah? Look how thick them booty tires is, yeah? Golly, them tires thick. Ooh, what's the dimensions, yeah? It looks smaller than that Aventador. Sounds amazing though. Very amazing V12. You got a little bass in it. Oh, I'm in the engine now. Yeah. That's that. That's gonna be that. That's forever gonna be that. NA V12, you know. Right? Yeah, it's NA? I'm tweaking. Well, we gotta blur that out. You're gonna do that to me stock? You're gonna do it to me stock. It's spitting flame stock. Oh my God, that's 60 to 130. Jeez Louise, man. How much horsepower does it got, yeah? Good Lord. Absolutely generational. Get me outside the car. I want to see outside the car. Damn. I ain't in the market for these, but you know. There comes. He's spitting stock? Oh, watch out, Granny down there. Watch out, Granny. Don't act like you don't hear it, dummy. We got a lot of bass coming out these tubes, yeah? Thought they shake the whole block, yeah? Active arrow? Yeah. Absolute peak.